shit straight.
I guess this one's not going to the kids.
I don't know if if I puke or not. Ow! Ow! Don't do ow! It's like so.
Oh yeah, that's gonna help. Your whole tongue is. You see it?
Oh, that is nasty shit. It is true. It's like the first second it's on your tongue, it's not so bad. Then all of a sudden it just like explodes and your tongue's like saying, get it out, yuck, yuck. Oh, we're videotaping. Don't try that at home. That was kind of gross.